Okay guys, so I just went on Facebook Marketplace and found these BMW BBS Style 71 E36 wheels. Okay, so I have this beautiful red E46 and we're gonna put these on them. The thing is, if you saw, they are really trashed. So from the buyer, I heard that they got this from one of their homies who tried restoring them as well. They sanded them down, maybe used some like paint stripper, but they didn't get to finishing them. So these BBS Style 71 wheels usually go for $2,000 a set, but since these were so trashed, we got them for $170, around $30 a wheel, more around there, $30-40 a wheel. So now the plan is to try and restore them. So yeah, first I gotta get the wheel off, the tire off. So the thing is, me and my brother have zero experience in body work, painting work, so I don't know how we're gonna do this, but if you think these are still salvageable, then you should let me know on how to salvage these. So I'm gonna get to trying to get the wheels off. My brother didn't even clean up the pressure washer, but let's get to it. These would look so good if I were able to restore them.